Were you surprised by this? Senator Cheese seeking your disbarment.
I actually wasn't surprised, no? May mga Tweety birds na kasi ako na kakasuhan ako either cyber libel, disbarment. So medyo naririnig ko na yan. Because, maliit ang mundo eh. So may mga nagsasabi. Kasi si Cheese as a lawyer, madami naman yung mga brads na I think Upsilonian siya if I recall correctly, no? Anyway, hindi naman ako Upsilonian. Pero syempre, as a lawyer and galing sa UP Law, word gets around. Syempre, makakarating sa akin na they're planning to file cases, no? So ako naman, ganun talaga, there's consequences to freedom of speech. Hindi naman tayo pwedeng hindi magsalita just because may mga threats na kakasuhan tayo. We will just answer the cases one by one.
Pero ito mong disbarment, nakita ko yung reaction mo, no? Talaga bang publicly ina-announce na kung may nag-file ng disbarment, pati yung basis? Is that allowed?
So I will talk about it theoretically, no? For other cases, no, or cases in general. So nasa rules of court yan, napaka-ironclad ng confidentiality proceedings on disbarment na only the final decision or order of the Supreme Court is the exception. Meaning, doon na lang pwede malaman na, ay, meron palang disbarment. Usually, dapat malalaman mo lang, ay, meron palang disbarment pag may decision na. So either actually i-disbar, isususpend, i-reprimand, doon mo na lang malalaman, mababasa mo naman yung Supreme Court decision like other Supreme Court decision. So tama yon. Pero yung confidentiality while it is happening, while you're filing it, when you filed it, after you filed it, kung ikaw yung nag-file, lalo na kung ikaw yung nag-file, hindi ikaw yung pwede mag-disclose nun. The media can disclose it. May mga Supreme Court cases na yan na pinagbigyan ng media because syempre may mga public interest, no? Like Ampatuan cases, meron doon dati may mga kasuhan ng disbarment sa Ampatuan massacre, no? Medyo matagal na yon. Recently, may mga ibang disbarment cases. If the media reports it, makakuha ng source or leak ang media, hindi paparusahan ang media kung public interest related yung kaso ng disbarment. Pero kung ikaw yung nagpapadisbar, ikaw yung nagkaso, or yung office mo, no? So let's say Senator Cheese or the office of Senator Cheese in my case, dapat hindi sila yung naglabas nito or nagpa-media because from what I gather, sila yung naglabas nito.
Sila naglabas?
That is from my observation. No? But of course, syempre, we will do more due diligence because that will be part of the answer or compliance that I will file.
Are you allowed to talk about it, yung possible response to this, or you're also barred from doing that?
Well, technically, I haven't received a copy of the complaint, no? But so just being careful, syempre may concept naman ng sub judice, tsaka confidential nga. But from what is available sa media,
yung mga lumabas na.
Yeah, yung lumabas na, particularly tatlo, no? Yung words ko kasi yung kine-question ni Senator Cheese in terms of intemperate language, saka general to theoretical, academic discussion. Lawyers talaga should not use intemperate language. Okay, so yun yung pinaka talagang anchor ni Senator Cheese if ever.
Time out lang Sorry lang Kailangan ko isingit to. Sorry for cutting you off. Kung yun pala expectation sa mga lawyer, paano yung pagmumura, pambabastos, kababuyan ng pagsasalita ni Rodrigo Duterte? Paano yung pagmumura ni Sara Duterte? Ilang. I just want to ask that question. Okay.
Yeah, let's go. Kasi ako, I can talk about others. Tsaka yan naman is, political din yan, hindi lang legal. So, si VP Sara nanuntok ng sheriff. Ito may extrajudicial killings allegation, ICC allegations or credible, hindi lang allegations, no, credible accusations against Rodrigo Duterte. There are disbarment complaints against VP Sara. Against Rodrigo Duterte, there were talks of people or militants, leftists, progressives filing disbarment cases. I'm not sure if meron bang na-file. Ang alam ko lang na totoong merong na-file against VP Sara. So, itong mga intemperate language, no, yun nga ang problema dito, pag politiko ka na, pag makapangyarihan ka na, you generally get away with it. Ako naman, hindi ko naman sasabing hindi ako politiko, no? I don't know if I've disclosed to you, pero nasa social media ko naman yan. Barangay kagawad ako sa isang barangay sa Quezon City, no? So,
ngayon, politiko ka pala eh. Hindi ko alam.
So, But I can tell you, ako wala akong SOP sa barangay. Tsaka may SOP sa barangay, pero wala sa barangay namin. Tsaka ako,
Ulitin ko lang
never.
yung ulitin ko lang yung intro ko sa'yo. Ang guest po natin ngayong gabi, si Kagawad Jesus Falsis. Okay, go ahead. Kagawad.
Opo. Ayun. So tayo naman, maliit lang tayo na politiko no sa barangay. Well, senator siya. If he thinks he should file a case against me, so be it. But that will show a Goliath trying to silence a little person. Because kahit naman maingay ako, let's say, even with the followers. Ikaw, may followers ka, malaki ang followers mo on YouTube, etc. Maliit pa din tayong tao compared sa mga senador na ito because sila may mga budget insertion. Tayo, we don't have that kind of power. So, I would think na there really is a weaponization of the law here in terms of filing a disbarment and maybe other cases against me.
Gusto mo pag-usapan yung yung manifestation ni Senator Cheese o baka lalo ka madisbar? Okay na ba, Kagawad?
Privilege speech ni Senator Cheese?
Manifestation niya kanina.
Pwede naman. Wala naman yun sa disbarment complaint eh. At saka I always believe in freedom of speech.
Hindi, kasi mukhang sensitive si Senator Cheese eh. Bawal yata makriticize to eh.
Well, ang problema kasi ni Senator Cheese, sorry kasi ako nga, di ba? Bakla ako na wala akong paki. Wala naman akong binubuhay na family Christian ha. This is prangkahan, I tell this in other interviews. I have nothing to lose. Diba? Wala naman akong binubuhay na pamilya. That's why I can be outspoken. I understand other people. If sila medyo takot, lalo na yung mga working in government, they would usually message me, attorney, may mga isusumbong, ganyan-ganyan. Private people, may mga isusumbong din kasi hindi naman sila pwede magsalita. So, ako, wala naman akong problema magsalita kasi kung may consequences man, sa akin lang. So, unfortunately for Senator Cheese, hindi niya yata alam yung Barbara Streisand effect. If you file a libel case against someone, or disbarment, lalo lang lalaki at mas maririnig yung mga sinabi ko o yung sinabing libelous.
Pero nga dito, anong naging impression mo rin sa... Tapos sa kasi ako mag-rant, no? Pero ikaw, ano yung honest opinion mo dun sa kanyang manifestation kanina? Medyo mahaba-haba.
Ano na naman? Isa na namang entry for dramatic, outstanding performance in a singular role, no? Kinakalaban niya si Senator Joel because ang ko dyan, talagang hugas kamay siya sa involvement. Parang, ang problema sa hugas kamay niya, madaming fallacies, madaming illogical points, no? Naghuhugas kamay siya na wala daw siyang kasalanan by pointing na madumi din ang mga kamay ng ibang tao. So, bakit yung kamay ko lang ang tinitingnan? So, walang logic doon kasi lahat sila madumi. And tayo naman, yung sa intro mo, di ba, hindi ko nga nabati ang intro mo kasi yung luma mong intro napalitan na pala sa first
For this, because of the gravity of the issue.
Di ba? Ang ganda nga eh. Gusto ko nga yung intro mo eh. Ang panawagan naman ng September 21 rally tsaka ng Taong Bayan, lahat ng sangkot dapat managot. So wala namang exempted. Kung lahat kayo madumi ang kamay, hindi kami nagfo-focus or hindi tayo nagfo-focus on Senator Cheese lang. Actually, hindi naman siya yung nauna eh. Ang nauna si Senator Joel eh. Ang nauna kay Senator Cheese, yung focus was budget insertion. Pero sa flood control, nauna si Senator Joel. So, hindi ko alam why he is ranting na siya yung nauuna. And by the way, sabi na to ng Supreme Court, when it comes to investigating criminal acts, meron talagang kailangang mauna. Hindi naman pwede magsabi violation ng equal protection, unfair, discrimination, inuna ako, may iba namang may kasalanan. Sabi ng Supreme Court, lahat yan step by step bago ka sumakses. Isa-isa muna. So, hindi naman pwede lahat kagad isang bagsakan. Investigate natin. Si Senator Cheese, Senate President siya. He is the first among the 24 senators nung nakaupo pa siyang Senate President. So, he should not begrudge na siya yung unang tinitingnan ng mga tao.